Hello, friends! I'm Wiseo from StoryWise Hub. Today, we're going to discover another owl myth versus fact. Owls are the smartest birds in the world. It's a myth. Owls are excellent hunters because they have amazing eyesight, silent feathers, and incredible hearing. But scientists don't consider them the smartest birds. Birds like crows and parrots are actually better problem solvers and can even use tools. Owls are special because each animal has its own unique strengths. At StoryWise Hub, we learn that everyone has different talents. You don't have to be the smartest to make a difference. You simply have to keep learning every day. Join me again for another owl myth versus fact. Remember, read, think, solve, grow.